Just like the best basketball teams, having the ability to adjust in any environment, being able to have access to everything you need in order to practice, and evaluating past performances in order to win games and achieve titles. These are all strategies that can be applied in your analytics solution now. I'm Emily Supel. Join me for a few more minutes as I show you how IBM Cognos Analytics can help you and your team achieve all the answers you need all in one place.
With the AI assistant, I can use natural text to type out questions. So first, I'm going to look at the luckiest teams in the tournament over the last decade. So let's show teams with the top 5 luck. Cognos will recommend the visualizations. Here I've got some points. I can also look at the underlying filters and look at other recommended visualizations. For this, I'm going to bring in the table here by simply clicking and dragging it into my canvas. I can display the data how I'd like to see it. I have the recommendation. Next, I want to bring in more data elements in. So I'd like to bring in the year. I want to see the year that these teams were lucky. And again, throughout the dashboard, I have the ability to customize how I'd like to view all visualizations. What the data is showing me, I have 6 teams now, as Oklahoma and Tennessee had the same luck. Marquette is the top luckiest team in 2013. But I want to see how these teams fared in the tournament, whether they participated or won it all as the champion. Again, simply clicking on my data element and bringing it in, I can immediately see that all of these teams participated, but they did not win the tournament. So next, I'm back to my AI assistant. I want to take a look at what teams won those years. So again, simply typing out in natural language what I want to see, I can get a recommended visualization being shown. I'll take a look at some of the other visualizations that are shown, but I'll stick to this graph. In addition, I have the ability to change any widget into the many visualizations available in Cognos, as well as the ability to have a custom visualization. To have this bar chart be a little bit more meaningful, I'm going to sort it, and I can immediately see that Villanova and Duke are at the top of the winning percent. Going to my previous lucky teams, if I selected 2010, for example, I can see that Duke had a high winning percent that year. So again, I want to look a little bit more on the winning teams and the championships to see if there are any repeats. So I have a heat map that was recommended to me to look at the wins by team and year. I'll bring that into my canvas. And looking at the data, we've got Villanova winning in 2018 as well as 2016. We also have Duke winning too, but in 2010 and 2015. So with Villanova at the top, they will be my revitalized 2021 national champion pick. Well, it's a little disappointing to see Villanova loss, but just like the madness on the court, Cognos Analytics is able to adapt quickly when situations go differently or new insights present itself, like bringing in new data on player illness and injuries. Cognos Analytics is the perfect teammate to ensure you manage any madness that comes your way, where you and your team can react efficiently to produce new insights, keeping you in the game.